I just turned $60 into $1,000 in 8 days trading only gold. But before that, I lost 75% of my account. I'm gonna show y'all the trade and how I almost blew my account. So I just had a really good trading month in May. You see here, I'm gonna put it up on the screen for you. You see here we did a gross of 8,400, lost 3,400, profit of about 5K. It might not seem like a lot, but combined with my work income, I made some really good money last month. So how did I get to the point of almost blowing my account? All right, after the good month of May, I decided to step back from my main account and preserve some of that new capital that I just made. So I withdrew everything and left enough for me to trade a small aggressive account, which is about $200. Well, as you can see in the next screenshot, I got spanked by the markets and dropped the account balance to $60. But here, I'm thinking nothing different from when the account was at $200. The purpose of doing an aggressive small account is purely psychological. I chose to lead a 200 in because I don't care to lose 200 even if it's today in one trade. It allows me to be as aggressive as I want in my risk in proportion to my account size. I don't advise aggressive accounts when it's your last 200 or you can't emotionally detach from the 200. So at $60, I just blew over 75% of my account. Then I decided to hold out for a high grade setup where I could ride market structure. And that's where I found the setup. I'm gonna try to put it up again for y'all, but I was actually scared to take the setup because we had these gaps above structure around 46.33. Now you can see here around 45.92, we barely swept the internal liquidity, and then we get a 4-hour displacement leaving behind a gap. The price comes back and retests that gap almost to the exact pip. I took sales at 45.16. I saw about 10 points of drawdown the whole way. Long story short, 8 days, 400 points, and 12 risk to reward later, we flipped the account to $1,200. I'm gonna put it up on the screen again. You see I'm floating about $1,000 with a $60 account balance. I lost a few of those floating profits and ended with a withdrawal of $954. It's Wednesday, I'm going out of town Friday, and I just decided I'm done trading for the week. As you can see, this wasn't really intended to be a video, but I like the chance it gave me to show the psychology of a small account build. I don't advise y'all to do this if you're trying to trade your last 50 to 100, but you don't need a lot of money or even a funded account to trade these markets. You just need the skill set, market structure, and patience. If you can't trade on a $100 account, then funded accounts probably just won't help you much. Subscribe to Traders Aura. Peace.